red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, and last one is yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R, the alphabets of R, and use yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Light green color, sky blue color, light green color, purple color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, brown color, and orange color. So okay, so now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D, the alphabets of D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. Kids, now you draw K. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O, the alphabets of O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R, the alphabets of R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V, the alphabets of V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. And Z for purple color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, pink color, green color, red color, light green color, yellow color, black color, and light green color. So kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. It's now you draw 15. The numbers of 15. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19. The numbers of 19. 19, 20, 21. It's now you draw 22. 22, 23, 24, 25. It's now you draw 26. 26, 27, 28, 29. Last we draw 30. The numbers of 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.